$100,000 years ago, a small creature rose trees. And however, there's no countries exist yet, just the one creature from Earth wants the leaves from the trees after the growing feast of herds every day. And so that later, they all eaten up. Everywhere to all kids, all left to eat, and all left turn of aliens in that future time. Today, we are lovely on lovelies. It's the lovely these are here, but these still exist. But he still exists today. A very old dinosaur walks very slowly as a turtle. He was a lovely dinosaur. And there is an alien. Alpha 59 all set up. A dinosaur over there. Oh, I am going to crush you. Doggen crushed him and killed him. He's dead. Ow. Whoa. Yeah. And who is this? Oh! It's Jake! My name is the fucking Chola, and I am love to hear you learn something useful to our engines. But of a case for lovely engines, I shall go down and bouncing off the roof. Lovely time I get here to rescue! Thomas the Tank Engine has been outside for many years. Thomas the Tank Engine lives on Sodor every day and forever. He loves to go on the tracks. But what happened? A dinosaur is dead. Oh dear. It's a small creature! Oh! Oh! I think I'm gonna throw up. What? Look over here, there's a man riding a bike. You right, James? Alright, Noah. At the island of Sodor, we see heavens go in the future. And so the aliens hold a dinosaur with dead powers and throw it in over this way. So that's how it all began. Yo. The fucking Chona replied. He gets told me out of here. Alright. Toby! Man! What? Time to go! Follow me! Fucking Chola. The fucking Chola holds Toby and throws him to the Sodor. Ouch. Ouch. I got mud! Come on, you. Can I live here? Nope. You'll go home later. Come on. Ow. Right. Who's losing control on here? I know, right, James? It's a bit tight, said the fat controller. How the? That is. In here. Oh, he's gone off. Where's the monster? He's at school today. He's leave that. His hair at school. However, I bet you to get off. Careful with me. Oh dear. Drago, dang it! This is what I want. Money. I don't believe it all. Ow! Just got a little thing. That stinks! It was no, James. I told you yesterday. Oh no! Right, stay away! Oh! 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 Ow! My bones are broken. Yay! 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 You, James, run over me! Now you killed him. No injuries. I just got run over by Soda Underground, James. Oh. And go back in. Who shot me in the face? What? Okay, now it's time to go jump higher. Yeah! Join us again for our next adventure on Thomas and Friends. Thank you for watching. And we will see you again very soon. Goodbye! Oh! Okay. Goodbye. Goodbye.